Namaste and welcome to Maheshwari's vlog. As Diwali, the festival of lights is around the corner, we are getting into festival spirit. Today's special episode, decorating Diyas. Let's check the material we will need. 6 mitti Diyas, acrylic colors, paint brush. Then we will need square shaped kundan, half cut moti, drop shaped moti, diamond chain cut into single piece. Glue, cotton earbuds, water, cloth for cleaning. Let's begin the process. First, take blue acrylic color and paint one mitti diya completely covered. Make sure to cover the entire diya. Now let it dry completely. This will be the base color of our design. Now repeat the procedure for another 2 diyas. Now take pink acrylic color and paint another diya completely covered. Make sure it's entirely covered, leaving no gaps. Now repeat the procedure for another 2 diyas. Now our diyas are completely dry. Let's move on to add decorative elements. Now take the blue diya and paint its inner edge with pink acrylic color. Now repeat the procedure for another 2 diyas. Further, enhance the pink diya by repeating the same procedure. Paint its inner edge with blue acrylic color, creating a beautiful border. Now repeat the procedure for another 2 diyas. After that, add glue to the center of diya and place a square shaped kunda to the center. Then apply glue and gently place the drop shaped moti inside the diya, ensuring it's centered and secure. Now let's add some vibrant yellow dots inside the diya. Dip cotton buds into yellow acrylic colors. Make small dots inside the diya, spacing them evenly apart. Now repeat the procedure for another 2 diyas. Use the same technique to decorate our pink diyas. Now let's add stunning half cut moti to our diyas. Apply glue to the center of the surface of the diya. Using a small amount of glue, make tiny dots spacing evenly apart on diya's surface. Now carefully place a diamond stone over each glue dot. And that's it. Our beautiful blue diya is now complete. Use the same technique to decorate our pink diyas. And our pink beautiful diya is also completed. Finally, all our diyas are completely decorated. I hope you have enjoyed crafting with me. Do try and let me know. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Till then, happy Diwali.